Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to see the examples of the probability current density. Last time we also derived the equation, the probability current density associated with any function is given by d is equal to h cross divided by twice mi psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. Here psi is nothing but what here? The wave function associated with the moving particle. H cross is reduced up as constant, m is mass of the particle here. Now today we will see the two examples of the probability current density. So find the probability current density associated with the function now psi of x is equal to b into e to the power kx here. This example is asked in the Shivaji University examination of the BSc 3 quantum mechanics. So we will solve this example. So we know that the probability current density associated with the wave function, any wave function, here is psi of x is equal to b into e to the power ikx is given by this equation. So we are given psi of x is equal to here. The psi of x right here, psi of x is equal to psi of x is equal to here we are given b into b is the constant b into e to the power ikx, e to the power ikx here. So this is the given. So this is given quantity. Now we will take psi is given. We will take here the complex conjugate of this wave function, and it can be obtained by replacing psi of x plus psi star is equal to b into e to the power here. The complex quantity of any function can be obtained by replacing the sign of the imaginary term. So e to the power now here the minus ikx here we are getting complex conjugate. So we obtain here psi and psi star. Now we will write this equation. This is the one dimensional case. Psi of x means, so this is in general that is three dimensional case. So probability density function, probability density, current density associated with the wave function can be written as d is equal to h cross divided by twice mi now here. So in bracket here we will take the one dimensional case. So psi star delta divided by the delta x here, the value of the del in case of one dimensional case here psi minus psi delta divided by delta x again here the value of del into psi star here. Now we will solve it. So this will be equal to here the h cross divided by twice mi as it is in bracket here. The psi is also kept as it is. Now delta psi by delta x, here is psi b into e to the power ikx. We will take the differentiation of this equation with respect to x. So this will be equal to b into e to the power ikx as it is, e to the power x, differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x into differentiation of power term. So b into e to the power ikx as it is, and differentiation of this power term. So this power term means coefficient of x, that is nothing but ik. We are getting here ik. This is 1 minus here the psi is kept as it is. Now differentiation of psi star. Psi star is given here, complex conjugate of psi, that is b into e to the power ikx. So again we will take the differentiation of this term with respect to x. So b into e to the power minus ikx as it is, ikx as it is, into differentiation of power term, that is minus ik, into here the minus ik we are getting. So like this. So this is the term. Next after this will be equal to h cross divided by twice mi as it is, kept in bracket here psi as it is, b into e to the power ikx is nothing but again psi here is nothing but psi star, here is nothing but what here kept as it is psi star. So psi star into this term is nothing but what here the wave function psi. So we will keep it as it is into ik here minus psi kept as it is this psi, and b into e to the power ikx, this term is nothing but what here, the complex conjugate of psi, that is psi star here, into here minus ik minus become plus here, so plus ik will be taken again. So this is next. So probability current density is given by equation now. The probability current density is given by equation D is equal to. So this D will be equal to H cross divided by twice mi as it is into bracket here. So you have to observe the psi star psi ik plus psi star ik, this comes out to be twice time. So in bracket here the 2 times ik psi into psi star. So we are getting this term, and E here, if suppose psi star is equal to psi star psi, we will assume this is equal, then this is psi star, here is psi star psi. If this is possible, then we can write this equation. So now this will be equal to, these two get cancels, I get also cancels, so remains h cross k here, the h cross k psi into psi star here divided by 2i get cancels here, remains 1. Now the value of h cross k we have to find out. H cross reduced to Planck's constant, this is a wave vector. So h cross k is nothing but we are knowing h cross k, this will be equal to h cross h upon 2 pi here, and k is nothing but 2 pi by lambda here, 2 pi by lambda. So this will be equal to 2 pi get cancels, so remains here the h divided by lambda. Again put the value of lambda is equal to what here, h divided by lambda, wavelength of the de Broglie's wave. Whenever the particle is in motion, wave is associated with it, whose wavelength is given by the ratio of Planck's constant, that is divided by momentum of the particle, that is p. Then this p comes to the upper side, hs get cancels, so remains here only p. So it is nothing but what here, the momentum is nothing but mass into velocity of the particle. So we are getting like this equation. So h cross k is nothing but what here, represents the momentum of the particle. So we will represent here the mv divided by vm into psi star. Then here the m get cancels and remains phi into psi star. So what it represents? It gives the probability of finding the particle, while v is nothing but velocity of the particle. So the probability current density is found to be equal to the product of the velocity of the particle into the probability density, into what here, the probability density here. So the probability current density also defined as, it is the probability current density is defined as the product of the velocity of the particle and the probability density of the particle. So this is one example. So we will see the another example in which also the probability current density is found to be equal to what here, each and every time the probability current density associated with any function is found to be equal to the velocity into the probability density. So consider the another example. So this is the solution of the example here. Now we will consider the probability current density associated with here the another function. We will consider the function which is taken in the quantum mechanics here, that is, suppose here associated with the function psi of xt, it is the function of x and t here. So this will be equal to a into e to the power minus, suppose minus I divided by h cut into bracket et minus px, et minus Ex, suppose. So we will use this. This is the wave function we are knowing. This is the wave function of a free particle in terms of the energy and momentum of the particle. So we have to find out here the probability current density associated with now this function. So again we will use the same definition. We know the probability current density is given by this equation, and this will be equal to, in case of the one dimensional case, H cross divided by twice mi here in bracket H psi star delta divided by delta x of psi minus psi in here delta divided by delta x into psi star. So this is the one dimensional case and this is the three dimensional case. This is also the one dimensional case. So we will take the one dimensional case. Now we are given the psi of xt. We are given psi is equal to E into e to the power minus I by h cut in bracket et minus px. Here the et minus px here. So this is the psi, and the complex conjugate of this function we can write here the psi star. So this will be equal to e into e to the power, now minus sign become plus here. We have to change the sign, I h cut into bracket et minus px. Et minus now the px. Now we will solve this equation, d is equal to. So this d will be equal to now d will be equal to here the h cross divided by twice mi as it is, twice mi as it is in bracket here the first psi star take as it is psi star delta psi by delta x. We have to take the differentiation of this. So this will be equal to differentiation e to the power minus I by h cut, this term as it is, into bracket et minus px, here the et minus px into differentiation of the power term with respect to x. We will take the differentiation with respect to x. So here the coefficient of x, that is minus become plus ip divided by h cut. Here we are getting ip divided by h cut. Here again minus psi as it is kept, and the differentiation of what here, now this complex conjugate delta psi star by delta x. So here also e to the power I by h cut now into bracket et minus px as it is, et minus px into differentiation of the power term. Here is nothing but what is the differentiation, that is minus I by h cut, and here is nothing but p, coefficient of p, here is minus I. So this is nothing but what here, the t. The next after here we will solve further. So d will be equal to, probability current density will be equal to h cross divided by twice mi in bracket here psi star kept as it is here, the psi star. Then what is the value of this? This represents our wave function, that is psi, given function, that is psi. So psi star psi here into ip by here, this is ip divided by k as it is, ip divided by k as it is, minus again minus psi, and this term represents here the complex conjugate of psi, this is function here. So we will represent here the psi star, psi into psi star again, minus psi into psi star into here the ip divided by h cut, here minus. So minus and this minus become plus. So here again we are getting ip divided by h cut. So this is the next equation, further equation. So this will be equal to h cross divided by twice mi in bracket 2 times here. Again you have to observe 2 times ip divided by k into psi star. Here also if psi star, if interchangeable, that is psi star and psi, then we can write like this equation. So this will be equal to, again 2 get cancels, 2i get cancels here, and what remains is here the h cross here. The differentiation ip divided by kt is not here particularly. The coefficient of x is nothing but only the I by ip by h cut here. Here we will get differentiation of this minus, this will be minus plus ip divided by h cut, h cut not k, this is h cut, this is also h cut, here the h cut not k, here the h cut we are getting, here the h cut. So we are getting twice h cut means 2 times ip by h cut we are getting. So h cross divided by, here the h cross get cancels. So here also what we are getting is h cross get cancels, here I also get cancels, remains p divided by m, p divided by m into psi star. Got the idea? Here I have written here instead of h cross k, but here is h cross. So we are getting like this equation. So p is nothing but momentum, and it can be represented as mv divided by the m into psi star here. So this will be equal to, again m get cancels, p into psi star. So again we are getting here. So what we are getting again? We are getting here the velocity into the probability. This is the velocity of the particle, velocity into the probability density. So again we are in this example also getting the same definition. So what is probability current density? That is the current density will be equal to product of this. So we can define the two quantities here, the probability density and probability current density. So probability current density, first of all we will define the probability density here. This is first term we will define. The probability density is denoted by the symbol generally p, and it is the product of the wave function and its complex conjugate. So this will be probability psi into psi star. And another we will define the probability current density. So probability current density is defined as, here current density is defined as, it is denoted by d, and it is defined as the product of the velocity of the particle into what here, the probability density. So like this. So this is equivalent to velocity. I will write here velocity of the particle. So velocity into probability density here. So always the probability density here. Or this is equivalent to, defined as what here, the h cross divided by twice m I, we have seen earlier this expression, into psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. So we can define the two quantities in this way. The probability current density, to define the h cross divided by means it is equivalent to velocity into probability density. So this is, from example we are knowing the another meaning of the probability current density, and it can be defined as the product of the velocity of the particle and the probability density, that is psi into psi star. And this is the general expression. Earlier we have derived probability current density is equal to like this, and this is equivalent to this. So remember the two terms of the definition. Probability density is defined as the psi wave function and product of into its complex conjugate, and probability current density is defined as the velocity of the particle and the probability density. Okay, thank you.